What you got to understand is that energy is energy is energy is energy, and I power refrigerators off the sun 3 different ways. Let me read it real quick. This is a 120 volt fridge in the blue build. This operates at 115 volts, only pulls 70 watts max. I'm gonna shut off the solar coming in so we know exactly how much energy is going out. The fridge only pulls 70 watts. Cost to cut on inverter is 177 watts. This is 115 volt. Battery bank is 48 volt. Wiring a real small inverter just to feed this machine. Cost to run my fridge off the small inverter, 35 watts on standby. In this Hilux, I have a DC only fridge that runs off of 12 and 24 volts. Cost to turn on my inverter is 60-ish watts. Fridge on, another 50 watts. I always use a DC fridge in RVs. Costs less to run the fridge than it does to turn on the inverter to run a regular 120 fridge. I have this fridge and this fridge wired up on regular residential 120 volt branch circuit, which are all fed off of this solar generator right here. I'm not worried about the standby wattage of this inverter because I'm already using it to run the office, the shop, the tiny house, the room house, and the gym. Since it's gonna be running anyways, ain't no sense in adding extra components or tomfuckery, just plug it in. How you power something really depends on the specific application, and what you got to understand is that this shit all goes together like biscuits and gravy. What might make sense in one situation don't make sense in another situation. You really got to know a lot of shit in order to know which situation makes sense for you. I think I'm gonna have to have a class on this shit.